Hello everyone, this is a new video from Patrick from Munich-Ai, and in today's video I want to give you updates on our bots and our strategies. We have currently three famous strategies running from the recent videos, and I will go through, show what's the profit for until today, and also how we continue with the bots or what is the current situation. So as I said, I'm Patrick from Munich-Ai. Please check out our website. You can also buy some strategies. I will help you setting up. You can buy also the Backtester and also different services for support, for setting up e-commerce bots, and also getting ideas about strategies. So in this video, I will go first to our Discord. Please join our Discord because we have a great community helping each other, and also here we have a new part I've recently created, like the Munich-Ai Elite Traders. So this is still open for everyone, but later it will be closed because it will be like an internal way where only special members can see everything, like the strategies and so on. So, but now these are most famous three bots we will go through today, and I will give you an update. So let's start, I would say, with the Deot bot. So what's happened with our Deot bot? If you haven't watched the video, please watch it. Because it gives you information about this bot, what this is doing. I was telling that I was running this bot for quite a long time, and now I started it completely new again. So let's check it out. So this bot has doing pretty well for me. It is buying on the RSI in 15 minute and length 7, and it's making like every day or almost every day, or let's not say every day, but every second or third day, good profits. Currently, we're like stuck in a position, but it's completely okay because Diego corrected a bit and it will just come back like here. And I think my profit area is about 3.6 or something. So this bot is doing really well. It's running since the 24th of February, and it made me like 735 USDT so far, and is also using the compounding function. So the next bot we're talking about is a recent bot we installed latest, like the safest leverage strategy with profits RSI with sell conditions. So this bot, I'm not talking about the settings yet, but you will find it also in the Discord. It's like made for that this bot is closing deals like every day, and it's only open deals also on the RSI special condition with the backtester, and also the safety orders also have condition on the RSI. So this bot, we will go through, it's here, also made really good profits in the last days, and it closed also with the Tradingview sale condition I was introducing in the last video, like with the webhooks. I've heard that some people have problems with webhooks and with the Tradingview, but please come to our Discord and then we will solve the problems. I think there must be, there was like a problem also with Tradingview alerts yesterday or the day before, because some didn't issue somehow, some alerts. So, but now for me it's running quite well. So as you can see here, I started on the 1st April, I made 12, 9, 18, 32, 33, and $46. So I'm really happy with the results, because also when you check, we closed, for example, here. So the normal take profit, the minimum profit is 1.5, but once the MACD is crossing above the 1.5, we will sell. So therefore we made like 2.5%. Then let's scroll down. I cannot see, but I know the one before was also 2.5, and then we had like a 4.5 and so on. So it's pretty nice results. So I definitely can recommend this strategy, because even in bear markets, we are really sure that we're closing like really often deals, and we are not stuck in a position for too long. But therefore the average profit per day, of course, is not that high from the ROI. So keep that in mind. If you compare this with our long-term strategy you can buy on my website, like for example here, this, I will make another video another day, is by far the best strategy in returns per day or in average returns, and the best strategy by minimum invest to reach this returns. I will explain it in another video, but I have tested like thousands different combinations, but this strategy is the one who's really giving you on a long term the safest and the most returns. So let's switch back. we talked about Deot, we talked about the Fed AI, and now we come to my favorite coin, like CKB, our $1 million challenge. So I have also made a video about that, and this coin is really crazy today because I don't know if you've seen it on TradingView what CKB did today and yesterday. So let's switch over. Check this out. This was why I recommended this coin. This is always comes back massive. Made like, okay, now we fall back a bit, but made a move from 89%, 90% just like in, yeah, one day, let's say one day. And this is so crazy because I have running this bot and it gives me really, really nice profits. So yeah, I'm really, really happy with that. Like today and yesterday, my 3-commerce was going crazy and closing deals. So, and therefore, I think let's check how much it made. Let's go to bots. Let's go to CKB for the pair. Yes, I have it already. So just today it made like 132, and yesterday, I don't know, also really, really nice profit. So therefore, this bot is totally on track. I also go back here, go to CKB, it's this one. So therefore we are on 1,100 USDT plus the invest, so 1,500, 600 roughly, just by starting from 17 February. Yeah, we're really making weekly, roughly, not like daily trades anymore, but it's pretty nice, this bot. That's why I really recommended like CKB, because it's so crazy, always coming back, and it's doing like when Bitcoin is going up, CKB is also going up. Yeah, so you should read just about the ecosystem and check why is this coin so famous. So therefore, I posted already on Discord. Yeah, if you go to this challenge, so there's always news about that. I'm showing like how it's doing. Yeah, we have already like an hour ROI of almost 200%. We closed 33 deals by today. So this means on our trading plan, 33 deals, which is like 1,000, what do we have? 1,600 in total. Yeah, we have 33 deals closed. Normally we need to be on 1,200. Yeah, but this long position I just carried out like until yesterday, and which was closed finally, got me like a big profit. So therefore we are already on 38. Yeah, we are already on 38 closed deals from the numbers, from the raw numbers. We are more far in direction of to our target as we should. So this is pretty nice, because there's only 85 trades left that we're reaching like 100k by compounding, which we calculated with this table I have also shared. So yeah, there's just like 85 trades left, so having 100k, and if we reach this 100k, you know, if I have reached this, I will be so happy, because I think then yeah, I can cancel my normal job. So this is like the CKB bot. Also, you will find the settings here. You can copy this bot. And yeah, I hope you join my challenge. I know that CKB, if Bitcoin is going up more, CKB will also push crazy. So therefore, please join the Discord. Please join our community. If you like my work, you can also buy like a one-on-one video call, and I will help you set up everything or explain everything if you're not sure. But the first thing would be just join our Discord. The easiest way to join our Discord is go to our website, click on the home here, and then there's like a link for the Discord where you can click directly and join yeah, our area. Just a few words about Elite Traders. So as I said, the normal Discord will always open all the time, but I'm not sure when, so it will be limited that we will let people still in here. Also, if people who haven't bought the Backtester and our long-term strategy, they will get access always like to this area. I'm not sure yet for how long I will give this access, at least like, I don't know, half a year or a year, because also like my yeah, members who are always with me on Discord supporting me, they will of course get the access. But once, I'm not decided when I will close this area to private, and then then people who join the normal channel are not able to get the settings anymore. Yeah, so please join Discord, join our community. I will also give like 5 to 10 access here for free for half a year or a year. I'm not decided yet how long, but then you will always get like the best strategies we have found out. I've running this paper traders for a long time and have a lot of experience in the configuration. So please join the Discord and then join our community. It will be a big advantage for you. So that's it for the video today. So I hope you enjoyed it, and please let me know if you're using already some of these settings. So yeah, that's it for today. Have a nice evening. See you soon. Bye bye.